Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful course of our MrLopezClasses.com. This is a short course, this is a micro course. This is a course specialized in marine generators. Yes, this is a wonderful course specialized for marine engineers, marine technicians, surveyors, captains, naval engineers, and owners of boats interested to understand the generators. Gas or diesel, American generators or European generators. In this small course, this course is 5 episodes. In this course we are going to follow the chapter 14 of our Marine Electricity Handbook. The electrical handbook, we are going to follow the chapter 14. The chapter 14 in that electric book is dedicated exclusive to generators. In this particular course, we are going to cover it only the generators. But it's hard because we are going to study the generators in details. We are going to analyze the generators, and at the end we are going to learn the procedure to install the generators and do the troubleshoot on generators. That's the most wonderful part. Understand the troubleshoot on generators. Yes, my friend, you can enroll in this class. It's simple. You enter in my webpage www.mrlopezclasses.com, and on top you select courses, and in the courses you found a lot of courses, but one of the courses is marine generators. You enroll in that course, and the price of this course is nothing. It's only $120. Yes, if you want to buy the book, you enter in the webpage on top in the option books, and you select the electrical book and you buy the book. But the price for this course is only $120. As soon as you pay, you receive an email with an invitation to be part of the platform of MrLopezClasses.com. You register, you put your personal information, and immediately you receive the links of the episodes, and you receive a roadmap with the videos, the quizzes, and the final test. If you take the quizzes and the final test, you receive a diploma. My certification is a diploma about marine generators. Okay? No, I don't want to take courses, quizzes, I don't want to take. You only see the videos, you follow the videos, and believe me, at the end, you understand the generators and you are ready to install a marine generator in your boat. The content. We have five big, strong episodes. The first one is about the fundamentals of our generators. Marine generators, gas and diesel. In that video also we are going to cover the frequency, the procedure to convert a generator from American into European or European into American. It's a wonderful episode, step by step, the analysis of the generator, the fundamentals. In the second episode, we are going to cover the voltage regulator, how to calibrate the output voltage, and also how to check the condition of the back end of the generators, how to use the megometer, how to use that special tool to verify if the back end is open or is in short. All right? This is the second episode, nice episode. In episode number 3 is tips and recommendations about the installation of a generator. Installation recommendations about the water line, recommendations about the location of the through hole, recommendation about the exhaust pipe, recommendation about the anti-siphons, recommendation about the gauge of the wires, recommendation about the configuration of the batteries, recommendation about the fuel, recommendation about the exhaust pipe, a lot of recommendation about the installation of the generator, depending if it's gas or diesel, American or European. Wonderful, wonderful episode. That's the episode number 3. And the episode number 4 is the most important, is the troubleshoot, the diagnosis and troubleshoot. We are going to analyze all the codes of different manufacturers of generators. This course, a small course, is not a specific course in color or Western Big or on and no. It's a generic course. Yeah, we are going to cover it. The majority of the code, the majority of the diagnosis, the analysis is the same, the procedure is the same. And we are going to solve it one per one, and I am going to give a lot of tips and recommendations specific per each code, per each problem when you have generators running in normal conditions. This is the troubleshoot and diagnosis. This is the episode number 4. And the episode number 5 is wonderful, is the harness. And we are going to do the harness. We are going to design the harness in a big whiteboard. We are going to create the harness wire per wire, terminal by terminal, for an analog and a digital generator. We are going to connect the gauge, the ignition switch, the sensor, everything in the harness. Believe me, my friends, when you finish with those 5 episodes, you are ready to diagnose a generator. You are ready to install a generator. And you are ready to work with generators. I hope you enjoy this small course dedicated to marine generators.